What's going on, rockers? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got my Sportster S sitting here in the garage. Didn't feel like riding today, but I feel like changing these turn signals. I got some new ones that came in the mail from Kodlin. These little miniature bad boys. They're supposed to give the bike a little more exotic, sporty look to it. I'm gonna see if I'm able to do this. Should be pretty simple, only 3 wires. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep this plug. I'm gonna splice them and see how they look, see how they work, and I'm gonna roll the intro and get on it. Okay, so this should be pretty simple. Basically taking the screws out and take the left side first, and like I said, I'm planning to splice this and use the same connector because the new ones did not bring, just dropped something, did not bring any connector to it. So I'm gonna use some shrink tubing when I do this, just so it look similar to this, look kind of professional. But I am going to use this plug, that way it will be easy to connect it back on where it's supposed to be. Alright, just to give you a little quick preview how this is supposed to look like before I wire everything on here. I think it looks okay, but you see how little tiny these things are, and it sit almost flush right there, which is it doesn't even touch it. Yep, so it's almost like perfect. So my whole idea here, I just put some shrink tubing. I don't like to have the wire exposed just like that, and putting tape, it's kind of look I don't know, not so professional. Not that I'm so professional by any means, but you know, I'm trying to make it look decent. So, but yeah, I kind of dig it. Let me see. Compared to what? This right here? Yeah, it looks okay. Anyway, that's the plan. Let me continue with the see if I can find some shrink tubing here. I should have some here in the garage. Okay, so just to explain what I just did here, the blue and purple goes with the yellow, blue and goes with white and black, which is the ground. And according to the Harley-Davidson schematics, the blue basically is the running light. Yeah, so this is to be the running light. Alright, so basically it looks a lot cleaner. As you can see, I soldered just 3 wires in there, and it looks more professional. Let me put it on the table here so you can see it better. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I ended up putting some tape here at the end where I solder it, and everything looks pretty good. You can't tell that it's aftermarket. Well, I can't tell, but that's what you want, and I'm able to should be able to put it back in the way the original was in there with a plug. So let's see how it works. That's the running lights. I'll show you the difference on it. I'm digging it. Oh yeah, it's gonna look awesome. They look smoky. They look pretty nice, I gotta say. I wasn't quite sure how was I gonna like this, but I like it. Let's turn the engine on so you can see how they look. Driving lights, turn signal lights. Left. They look nice. Oh, you know what? Almost forgot one more thing. I also purchased the belt cover. I bought the belt cover for the bike. This one here. Let's put it on. This is actually metal compared to the plastic one. The only thing I wished is it was a little bit longer, you know. Yeah, but I don't know, it'll grow on me. We'll see. Yes, I got it from Kodlin also. Alright. Well, there you have it. Turn signal for the Sportster S. They came out pretty nice. I can't say that I got used to it yet. It probably will grow on me, cause I don't know. It looks kind of neat, I gotta admit. It looks really nice. But they're bright. They're definitely bright, even on the daylight. The turn signals, let me see something here. Yeah, you can see that on daylight. It looks really nice. Now the only thing is about this cover, I don't know. I would think they would extend this cover up to here and a little back just to protect the belt, unless they coming out with a cover that'll extend up to here. For the most part, yeah, I'm digging those turn signal. If you like them, leave me a comment. I'll leave the link to the website where I got those turn signal, Kodlin USA. They're not that expensive, and they had other one that you can put right here by the hand. I think this looks a lot better. So, man, I gotta clean this bike. Dirty. Alright guys, well, leave me a comment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, as it will help this channel grow. So until the next one, rock it. If you're not rocking, you're slacking. Alright, peace out.